It is Sunday, July 21st, 2019. Taking one final look from our very first room at the Grand Destino before we check out.
I've been all around the world. On Main Street, USA. Every city, every place.
Okay, we're gonna be honest here, guys. See all those bags? We are gonna have a situation. Trying to get everything in the car. And by the way, that lobby was a madhouse. There was a line a mile long, people trying to check in. It was crazy. We moved the car in front of the old entrance because that's where you refill your mugs. You can't refill your mugs in the tower. So we have to come this way. And then we're off to Disney Springs. Oh, maybe we won't talk Disney.
Is the camera not
no, it doesn't.
on my good side today or what?
It just you just look like if you made your voice like very kind of muffled and deep, you would be like in the witness protection program type thing, because all we can see is your black silhouette.
Excellent.
So we were gonna talk Disney while we wait for the kids to come out, but since we can't see Tom, or that could be quite amusing if you could hold that voice.
Too late in the day.
We're getting ready to pull out of Coronado Springs, and I would be totally depressed, but my phone is telling me I'll be back at Coronado in 18 days, so I'll survive. What did you guys get? And how much was that muffin?
It's like $3.49 or something.
Really? $3.49? Okay, what'd you get, Skylin?
A muffin.
Oh. You got chocolate, and what'd you get?
Blueberry.
Uber? What?
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
I couldn't decide, so I just went chocolate.
Well, this is the first time we've been here since the new grapefruit garage opened, which I think should totally be lemon because there's a lime, or there should be apple. Grapefruit's too long a name. They have new bags and new wrappers. I like them. So he got his usual Hawaiian barbecue, and I got my usual turkey, holiday turkey. The kids had a muffin, as you know, so we just got them one to share for a little later. They're off shopping. There's something for you over here.
Oh my gosh.
Aren't they adorable? Let's
get
see them.
All.
Well, I thought you'd only like the Chip and Dale.
Oh, I mean, all of them.
Oh, all of them.
Well, yeah.
Let's see them. 90. And a key. I'm a little confused. Let's see what the other one looks like. 90. And no key.
But he's got who's a what's it?
Yeah. Different hat. At the Marketplace Snacks across from the co-op, you can now get a Dole Whip. So I'm in the un-Disney-fied world of Disney, and check it out. They now have Starbucks mugs here. There's a pin trading board right in the middle of the world of Disney. Just found a original signed check by Walt, and it's $9,000. I would have so got that for Lakeland. Too bad they don't have it in his size now. That's adorable. Uniqlo always has a nice collection of Disney apparel. Scare wanted, New York. Yeah, I'm not sure that's family appropriate. That's cute. Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger cassette tape. Sheriff Woody. Oh, you have to look really close to know that that's actually a Pixar shirt. Gotta look close to see that's Monsters Inc. Oh, what is this? Oh, I like the logo on the sleeve. The lamp and the ball. And Roar. Oh my gosh, there's a wasp on this baby's face. Get it off, get it off, get it off. Wow, are you kidding me? Look at that. $84. Well, pro is we got in the car before it started raining. Con is that we're leaving to go home and it's raining. Ooh, so we came out of the gas station across from Disney Springs. Look, the 3 Caballeros and Mickey's back there. Hey, I want to go back there. And because of all the construction, they're rerouting the traffic, the exit, and you come out kind of behind, like, I don't know if it's called Career Connections, Disney Connections, Cast Member Connect, whatever. It has something to do with the hiring, casting, and stuff like that. This building right here. What's that say? All I see is hi ho, off to work we go. This is one thing they better never change or I'll be really upset, is taking that down. Well, here we go, getting ready to leave the Disney bubble at 2:53 p.m., which is later than really wanted to, which means we're not going to get home before 1 a.m. Look, it's a motorcycle party under the bridge. Totally makes sense to me. Actually, you know what? The traffic looks worse coming in than it does coming out. I don't know if you can see the back. Yeah, I guess you can. The car, like, we couldn't put another bag back there if we tried. I don't know what we're going to do in Thanksgiving. When we're here a week, we filled up the car and we were only here 5 nights. What are we going to do when we're here a week and I bring groceries because we have a full kitchen?
We have a Suburban.
We do have a Suburban, but I don't know if I would. It's a 2005 Suburban. I don't know if I trust it. What?
Me and Lakeland will fly.
Actually, I thought you may end up flying from school. We'll have to see.
Lakeland and I can fly, and then you have to go backwards.
No, you'll have this car. We won't have this vehicle. Well, let's get a close-up of Orlando because we are going so slow. Did y'all see that lightning? The lightning has been terrible. Oh my gosh, the water, you're never gonna be able to see that. The water just coming off that bridge right there. The broken bridge. We'll call that the Speed Bridge, the unfinished bridge. Remember that movie Speed, when the bridge wasn't finished and they had to jump it?
Man, that's not the right movie to remember.
Why?
Blues Brothers.
Oh, I don't. That was before my time. I don't remember that.
That is the classic non-complete bridge scene.
I don't remember that one. Wow, that's really high up there, and we're under concrete. That's not. I just saw lightning, like from the corner of my eye this way. Rubble.
And can I change my word to incomplete?
An incomplete bridge. I don't know how much pressure I was putting on my body, but there's a magic band, right? I don't know what that is. That is the bottom of my camera, like my, yeah, like my tripod, because it's actually a tripod, is what it's connected to. That's the bottom of that. And then that's bracelets. And then this is my magic band with something, oh, that was a hair tie. That other thing across the magic band. But look how it's turned red. I must have been putting a lot of pressure on that, because, you know, I'm trying to take a nap because I gotta take over driving when it gets dark.